So we need to save two pictures to work with in Gimp. So we're going to right click and choose Save Image As. Then we're going to save it in Pictures. It's already named for us. And then we're going to save the second picture. We're going to scroll down and save the picture of the dog. Right click, Save Image As, and it's going to save in Pictures. If it doesn't save in Pictures, you need to move it so that it's someplace where you know where it's at. Then we're going to open Gimp. So when Gimp opens, we need to go and get the picture. We're going to get the picture of the dog first. So go to File and Open. And we need to get the one that says Step 1, Dog Catches Frisbee. JPEG. So we're going to open it. And there it is. Now we need the Layers menu, so we're going to hit Control-L for the Layers menu. I'm going to move it over here. Then we're going to add a layer. So you're going to right-click on the little thumbnail picture and go down to Add Alpha Channel. We're adding the alpha channel so that it'll appear transparent later. Okay, then we need Control-B for the toolbox, and we're going to use the fuzzy wand. So we're going to click on the background of the dog with the fuzzy wand, and then we're going to hit the delete key. So I'm clicking on the green, and I'm using the delete key on the keyboard to remove the green. So we have now just the dog. And your dog should look like it's on a checkerboard. If it's not on a checkerboard, it won't work. It means you didn't put the alpha channel in. So now we're going to go down to Export As, not Save As, but Export As. And you're going to export it as a PNG. So you can scroll to the bottom and find the extension file for PNG, or you can just change it to PNG at the end of the file type. So we're going to export it as a PNG, and it needs to be a PNG. Now, we're going to get our other picture. And we're going to go to File and Open as Layer. And we're going to get the one that says Frisbee Throw Before Picture. There it is. We're going to go back to File and Open as Layer. Now we need the PNG file of Step 1. And there it is. So now our dog's on there. But the dog is a little bit too big, so we're going to use the Scale tool, which is Shift-T. We're going to kind of drag the end to the center to make it smaller. And then when we're done, we'll hit Scale. Now we're going to move the dog. And I move the layer. You have to make sure that in the Layers menu, the right layer is selected. So I'm going to make sure that the dog is selected, and now I can move him. So I'm placing him where I want him. Move that out of the way so we can see. Yep, I did it again. You got to make sure the right layer is selected over there in the Layers menu. Now, I'm going to go up and export as, not save as, but export as. And I'm going to name it last name, first name, Frisbee Dog. So I'm going to choose Export. You can change the quality if you want. Makes it a smaller file. Click Export. Now you've got to upload it to Google. So you're going to go to your Google account. and find Drive. You need to go to Create, and you'll find an up arrow. Choose the correct file, and it should upload. And if you're not already in your computer apps file, you'll need to move it into your computer apps file.